Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an Excel macro. First, you'll need to enable the Developer tab in your Excel options. This tab provides access to all macro-related tools. Next, review your macro security settings to ensure they allow macros to run safely. Macros are powerful tools that can automate many repetitive tasks, saving you significant time and effort. Once the Developer tab is active, you can begin recording your first macro. Click the Record Macro button and give your macro a descriptive name. Then, simply perform the sequence of actions you wish to automate within your spreadsheet. When you've finished, click Stop Recording. Excel will then generate the underlying code for your actions. To refine your recorded macro or write new ones, open the Visual Basic for Applications Editor, often called the VBA editor. Here, you can see the code Excel generated. Reviewing this code helps you understand how your actions translate into programming. You can also modify the code directly to add more complex logic or improve efficiency beyond simple recording. After creating your macro, you can run it directly from the Developer tab or assign a convenient keyboard shortcut for quick access. It's crucial to save your workbook as an Excel macro-enabled workbook, which has a XLSM extension to preserve your macros. Remember to enable macros when prompted upon opening the file to ensure they function correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.